Alright, peace and light. Hey, they have really lied to us, Today I'm having lunch. And I'm having quinoa, and callaloo that I cooked in coconut milk last night. This food was eaten up in a car. So in front of the windshield, I put it on the dashboard while the sun that is here heat the car. Car can hot. So every day we get it that microwave have radiation, the radioactive property of microwave wake up our free radicals and let our cancer cell start to what? Embodied our real cell and take over. But still, even in the first world country, we don't take heed. We eat microwave food every day. Even here in Jamaica, every day. Yeah, some of my co-workers every day. And when we get sick, we take it for granted. Now we're trying to save ourselves, whatever cancer it is, colon, whatever it is. These are spinach, by the way. I just picked them off the tree. Let me wash this off with a little bit of water. I see some eggs from worms. Look, some worm egg. Come, bring it close, Claudius. Worm eggs, yeah. I like to come in contact with these things because what happened, it shows me that if natural things can eat them, this is the real cabbage, by the way. It's called longleaf cabbage or bush cabbage. Before they genetically modify your cabbage that fall and look like a ball. And even when I eat a few leaf of those, I eat the one on the outside that are green. But look, these are uncooked. And these are spinach leaf. And even though I'm eating callaloo with quinoa today, I still want something green in my diet. This is what I do every single day. I make sure I eat something that the sun cooked because this is already cooked. So look, I am not perfect. As I said, I eat 85% good and 15% garbage because by right the sun already cooked the food. But here is cooked food, but still I have something green. My people, let's not take our day-to-day life for granted. Let's show ourselves that we want to live and eat to live rather than eating to die, and don't use our teeth to dig our graves. So many people are coming to me right now for help. I'm not bashing you or anything, but honestly, most of you want to be cured in the first treatment. You don't want to run a 28-day and then if you still don't see any result, you run another 28-day, and if you still don't see no result, but you are eating bad and eating garbage for over between 15 to 25 years and you expect the Lord Savior to help you. No, this is why before I administer any form of herbs that I sell, I make sure I do a herbal consultation, which of course you will have to pay for because you trust the white suit guys so much in the white doctor suit, and when you come to an herbalist you're very skeptic. There's a lot of person that I give back their money. I don't really want your money as long as your attitude stink and you come for instant gratification. I just give you back your money. I do a lot of persons so because the truth is, you don't give up on doctors, which you should, but you want to give up on yourself, which is nature, natural herbs, which you are a part of. So herb does not work real fast like medication that damage your liver. It's slow acting, but it's sure. And it does not soothe pain nor soothe your disease and let it come back. What it does, it gives a permanent word that they claim they own by your doctor's cure. Peace and light. I am not pure, but I am the cure. My name is Knowledge of the True Virgin. Check out my online store. It's called KTV Herbal Remedies on Etsy. Yes, that's the website. Etsy. ETPY. Yeah, I think I spell it right. Don't quote me on that one. Peace and light, and eat well. Look at my food here. Yeah. Peace. I'm out. End it now, Claudius.